In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone HubSpot content. Specifically, we'll walk through how to clone a marketing email inside HubSpot so you can quickly reuse layouts, designs, and settings without starting from scratch every time. Let's start from your main HubSpot dashboard. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu. Hover over or click on the Marketing tab. From that drop-down, select Email. This will open your email dashboard, where you can see a list of all the marketing emails that already exist in your account. Take a moment to find the email you want to use as your starting point. This might be a well-performing newsletter, a campaign announcement, or a template-style email that you like. Once you've located it in the list, move your mouse over that email row. When you hover over it, additional options will appear, including one labeled Clone. Go ahead and click Clone. When you do this, a panel will slide out from the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll set up the basic details for your new cloned email. First, you'll see a field labeled Email Name. This name is internal only, which means your contacts will not see it. Choose a name that makes the email easy to identify later, such as including the campaign name, the audience segment, or the date. Clear internal naming now will save you a lot of confusion when you have many similar emails in your account. Next, you'll choose the email type. HubSpot usually gives you three main options here: regular, automated, or blog/RSS. A regular email is a one-time send, such as a single newsletter or a one-off promotion. An automated email is part of a workflow or sequence, like a welcome series or a follow-up email triggered by a user action. Blog/RSS emails automatically pull content from your blog or RSS feed and send it out on a schedule. Make sure you select the type that matches how you plan to use this cloned email. The type you choose can affect how and where the email appears later when you're building workflows or scheduling sends. Once you've entered a clear email name and selected the appropriate email type, review your choices for a second. When everything looks good, click the Clone button in that right-hand panel. HubSpot will create a duplicate of the original email, keeping the layout, design, and content, so you can customize it further without altering the original version.